the display crossover option of the schematics. It is disabled by default and you may or may not enable it. It is a user's choice. When enabled, Altium Designer will add a small arc to the wire, showing that the wire is crossing another wire and is not attached electrically. Let's see an example. Here is a vertical wire, and this vertical wire are crossed by horizontal wires. This is how the Altium Designer schematic sheet will look like by default. These wires are not connected, but if you want to change them, you can right click on the schematic sheet, Preferences, under Schematic, and under General, go here, check this or enable this. Click Apply. As you can see here, small arcs are added. This indicates that the horizontal wires and the vertical are not connected electrically. If you do not prefer this type, you can go back to the Preferences and uncheck Display Crossover. As you can see, the arcs are removed. Thank you.